Hi, this is Jen Cardella, and I am going to talk to you a little bit about my proposal for my research paper on should cursive writing still be taught in the school, or I'm maybe leaning toward why isn't cursive writing being taught in the school. What piqued my interest is that I have seen my own school district pull it away and then bring it back. I also know from working with preschoolers that fine motor skills are really important, and cursive writing is another skill that helps build on that, as well as cognitive skills. And I see cursive handwriting as a form of communication, and if we're not teaching it, the kids aren't learning how to read or write it, we're losing another form of communication. I also personally love to use it for note taking and find that it is much faster than manuscript or block writing, and for keyboarding. There has been some research done that actually shows that with the Common Core, keyboarding is more important than handwriting. They do say that keyboarding is a faster form of note-taking, but because you can get more words, people are just typing the words and not really taking in what they're writing. So if they use cursive writing, it is faster than manuscript or block writing. And you stop and think, how many of those words that the professor just said do I really need? So you tend to retain the information longer. I also learned that 43 states teaching cursive is actually optional. It is a district by district case. I did find out that Arizona is the only school that mandates that cursive be taught. I really am going to look into the science or the educators' reasons for getting rid of cursive and see exactly what the reasonings, the rationale behind it was. And then I want to find out, when did this trend of doing away with cursive start, and has the trend turned around, and is it on an upswing? I thought I might look into calligraphy. Like cursive, they stopped teaching calligraphy, and how many of us now today can write calligraphy or read it? So this is another fear I have with getting rid of cursive. We're now getting rid of another form of communication, another form of reading and writing, and in 2 generations, will anybody be able to do it? Then I'm going to also look into one of the reasons they kept cursive in school and why the schools have brought it back, what they thought was so important that they did bring it back. Also look into keyboarding. How and why is it more important? I know we're in the technology age. Everything is in front of a keyboard, standardized tests, but I still feel and want to understand the reasons why the handwriting has gone to the wayside. And those are some of my thoughts on my proposal for my research paper. Thank you.